Alright, here we are again. It's snowing harder.
Can you see us all right?
I can see ya. How's it now?
Hi, it's snowing.
Breckenridge, Colorado. Luke, how's the snow? How's the snow?
It's completely freezing,
Jacob, tell me again.
It's completely freezing,
Luke, how do you like swimming in the snow?
Great. I think it's freezing.
What do you guys call this? Swinter. Swinter. There's my boys. My Swinter swimmers. I don't know if you can see, but it's snowing pretty well. Memorial Day. Breckenridge, Colorado.